Jai Hind everyone. My name is Cadet Abhijit Shashikant Kadam and I am recommended from 2AFSB Mysore.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Monish Nilesh Lad and I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I got recommended for NDA 146 from 2FSB Mysore. I am merit in and my rank in the merit list is 269. I thank each and every person who supported and helped me to achieve success and wished to see this day where I am awaiting my call letter to join the National Defense Academy.
Friends, myself Cadet Bhargav, recommended from 33 SB Bhopal, a cadet of Sainik School Satara.
Hello, this is Cadet Ganesh Inde. I am from Sainik School Satara and I was recommended for NDA 146 from NSB Visakhapatnam and I took coaching from Gurudevas Academy.
So friends, today I will talk about Gurudeva Academy.
So sharing my experience of SSB and with the help of Gurudevas. So I was at 2FSB Mysore. The screening part at AFSB is pretty difficult because the reporting is very high. But the Gurudevas with the tricks which are taught at Gurudevas for writing the story for the PPT picture and also the lines which helped me to get into the group discussion. We all know that the screening discussion is pretty chaotic, but Gurudevas and thus I was able to screen in, and also the other parts which were covered by Gurudevas helped me during the whole SSB procedure.
Today I am here to speak how the Gurudevas SSB Academy helped me to crack the SSB. Mainly talking about the personal interview. The tricks that Gurudevas Academy shared with us helped me to remember the rapid fire questions asked by the interviewer easily. Actually, what the interviewer does is he asks 7 to 8 questions in one go. So it becomes very difficult to recollect and all the questions and answer them all in the same sequence. Also, the mock interviews carried out by the mentors of the Gurudevas Academy enhanced my self confidence for facing the interview. Overall experience that I had in the academy helped me a lot to crack the SSB. I once again thank Gurudev.
Now I will tell you about how Gurudev SSB Academy helped me in GTO. GTO obstacles at Gurudev SSB Academy are much tougher than what we face at real SSB. So it helped me a lot. Also, the in charge of GTO, Rahul sir, gave us various tips and tricks and easy methods to clear the obstacles. So it was very easy to get through out of GTO at SSB.
So now I am going to tell you about how the Gurudevas Academy prepared me for psychology. In that, various stories were taken, various images were taken, and it was also explained from the beginning that how to write a story, that like the format and how to construct it, how to like build a story, how to enlarge it, and also uh, how to express the actions of the hero with respect to the surroundings, with respect to the other characters, etc. So many stories were discussed, and also then what kind of steps can we add to the story to make it a little bit interesting or a little unique from others. And then now talking about VAT. So the like near around 400 to 500 words were taken, and like all the rules and all the do's and don'ts regarding the VATs were discussed, and the sentences were made according to that. And after a lot of practice, then the VAT became like very easy for us. And there was then there is SRT. So, same goes with SRT. Lots of SRTs were practiced. Then how priorities should be given to problems in SRTs, and how to solve, and what are the minimum actions that we have to take in order to completely solve an SRT. That was also discussed at the academy. And now talking about the self description test. So the self description test was written on the very first day. So after that, they just keep modifying it. They just they just make it a little better by just altering some words or just a way of expressing it, and without losing the originality, of course. Then and so STT is also thoroughly checked and corrected, and then practiced as well. So that's all.
So first of all, let me tell you that Gurudeva's Academy is best SSB coaching academy in India. Now I will tell you the reasons. First of all, the routine there is well scheduled. Then all the teachers work very hard for the result and also to develop the personality of cadet. And then not only guide us when we are in academy, but they also guide us when we go out of the academy. They keep continuously motivating us, and
And I thank Gurudevas for that. Thank you.
Gurudevas Academy for the excellent guidance and support till date.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.